Want to know exactly what people are saying about your brand online the second it happens? In this video, we're looking at Mentionlytics, an AI-powered social listening and brand monitoring tool designed to help you track mentions, monitor your competitors, and analyze audience sentiment in real time. If you've ever wondered who is talking about you on social media or web forums, this tool aims to take away the guesswork. So, what exactly is Mentionlytics? It's an all-in-one platform trusted by over 400 companies to monitor their online footprint. Whether you are a growing business, an agency, or an individual creator, keeping up with conversations across the internet can feel impossible. Mentionlytics automates this by scanning the web and social media channels 24/7. The best part? They offer a 14-day free trial with absolutely no credit card required, so you can test it out completely risk-free. So let's break down how it works in 3 simple steps. First, it listens. Mentionlytics tracks unlimited sources. This isn't just limited to standard websites. It scans news sites, review blogs, forums, and major social networks like TikTok, X, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and Reddit. Second, it analyzes. Once it gathers all this data, it visualizes it on an easy-to-use dashboard. You get access to metrics that actually matter, like brand awareness, which measures your total reach and engagement. You also get sentiment analysis, which uses AI to figure out if the conversations about your brand are positive, negative, or neutral. Plus, you can track your share of voice to see how much online real estate you dominate compared to your top competitors. Third, it helps you take action. You can set up custom notification schedules to get instant alerts whenever there's a sudden spike in your mentions, which is incredibly helpful for crisis management or jumping on a viral trend. You can also use these insights to directly connect with your audience, respond to customer complaints quickly, and optimize your overall marketing strategy using real, data-driven AI reports. Now, let's talk about user feedback. While Mentionlytics highlights a strong 4.9 rating on their platform, our external user review data is currently limited. Because we want to be completely honest with you, we recommend using their 14-day free trial to see how the user interface and data accuracy fit your specific workflow. Since you don't need to put down a credit card to sign up, it's a completely safe way to see if the tool delivers the depth of tracking you need. Stop guessing what people think and start listening. Head over to Mentionlytics to start your free trial today. If you found this quick overview helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments how you currently track your brand online. See you in the next video.